climate change. Our world is currently facing huge challenges. Either there is no rain for weeks, or it pours in a short amount of time. It's during times like this we need solutions to meet these challenges and role models, or better said, inspiration, who not only preach sustainability but also put it into practice.
Sustainability is an essential pillar of our DNA and our corporate philosophy. We have been using recycled plastic for over 30 years in our manufacturing processes.
At the Herbolzheim plant, this sustainable endeavor starts with the raw materials. Graf has achieved what previously seemed impossible. Plastic waste with a high black content is recycled here. The result corresponds to the quality of new plastics. At Graf, recycling takes place on a large-scale industrial level.
Today, we recycle around 50,000 tons of raw material. The innovation and novelty is that we can also sort black plastics. This means that we have special camera technology that can distinguish the 8 different types of plastic that exist in black. This was not possible before. We are the first company in the world to be able to do this. Based on the reflection, you can then tell which type of plastic it is. The selection is not based on the color, but on the type of plastic.
At the end of the process, you get a high-quality plastic granulate.
The plant in Herbolzheim saves around 100,000 tons of CO2. This corresponds to the emissions of around 60,000 cars per year.
The granulate is then transported to Graf's nearby production facilities using silo lorries. The plant in Tenningen is the Graf headquarters and the largest location of the Graf Group. This is where sophisticated solutions to the current challenges of climate change are created.
We use different types of common manufacturing processes. That means we use injection molding, rotational molding, and blow molding technology because there are different customer requirements that then result in product requirements.
When it comes to injection molding, high speed and dimensional accuracy are particularly important. Graf uses numerous machines to produce accessory components such as tank domes and telescopic dome shafts. Production at Graf takes place at one of the most modern facilities. This is the only way we can offer the highest quality standards at an attractive balance of quality and cost. All products in this process are made from 100% recycled plastic. In 2006, Graf pioneered new technology with the production of the Carat underground tank using injection molding. The world's largest injection molding machine was developed and built specifically for Graf to produce the Carat tank. Unique machine dimensions, seamless quality control, and complete automation of production ensure the highest level of production reliability.
The special feature of the Carat tank series for us is that we have a very high level of precision. We can make the wall thickness precise to 0.1 mm at any point. We have a very stable tank that can be driven on by trucks, is stable in groundwater, and practically indestructible. If you want to export a product like this worldwide, it has to be complaint-free.
The Carat S tank halves are exported worldwide. They are automatically stacked on pallets, and these can be shipped worldwide in containers. As a result, one lorry can be loaded with the same number of tanks that would typically require 8 separate lorries, significantly reducing CO2 emissions. The blow molding process can be used to produce closed hollow bodies with very demanding requirements. The 180-degree hot hose has 3 layers of material for optimal properties at every point on the tank wall. This multi-layer structure enables the use of recycled material while simultaneously meeting the highest standards of surface quality and UV stability. Compressed air presses the hose against the cold wall of the mold. Tanks with a volume of up to 8,000 liters can be produced. The high manufacturing quality lays the foundation for unique products. The recycling of all plastic waste reflects the environmental considerations behind every Graf product.
Because we grind up all the waste that we produce during the manufacturing process. And we even try to regranulate the bags in which some of the raw materials are delivered and reuse the material.
The rotational process is particularly suitable for the seamless production of particularly robust products. For this purpose, aluminum molds are filled with plastic powder. The rotating mold reaches 360 degrees, forming the tank wall layer by layer. This process produces exceptionally tough, tension-free products.
We manufacture the large tanks using the rotational molding process. We have developed our own machines with a strategic partner where we manufacture flat tanks of up to 15,000 liters and round carrot tanks of up to 26,000 liters in one piece. If we want to go bigger, we have to weld segments together, and for this too, we have developed our own welding process to do this as automatically as possible.
With unrivaled manufacturing expertise, Graf sets standards for quality and sustainability. This is how Graf creates products today for the sustainable cities of tomorrow. Made in Germany, made by Graf.